I had asked a specific question related to ONGC complex within my constituency. Speaker sir, ONGC complex occupies around about 8 square meters of village land. But the contribution of this company to the village does not contribute anything. I had asked for all approved plans of structures in the complex, but I have got only one of the structure approved in 2021. I have not received any plans of the existing structures. Speaker sir, my question is first, I want to ask the minister, do the structures in ONGC constructed prior to 2021 have any approved plans? This is my first question.
Speaker sir, जे बाब एल्टनान सांगलेले आसा की हांवें ऑलरेडी म्हायती काडली प्लस आमी कितें ठरयलां की आमकां आमचे कडेन सद्याचे परिस्थितीन त्यांनी कसलेच हे मागूंक ना हे नवे हे कितें करपाक तुमी ते पयर उल्लेख करताले की ते सब डिविजन आनी कितें केलां भितर मेन म्हणजे स्पीकर सर कितें आहा की ONGCन इवन जर भितर तेंचे भितर जे ते गव्हर्मेंटान जमीन तांकां दिल्ली पूण त्याच बरोबर थंय भितर जर कितें डेव्हलपमेंट जाता दे हॅव टू टेक द परमिशन फ्रॉम अस देर इज नो क्वेश्चन दे आर नॉट एक्झेम्प्टेड म्हणून आय वूड लायक टू अश्योर द ऑनरेबल मेंबर देर आर 2-3 थिंग्स ही हॅज आस्क्ड सो इफ यू वॉन्ट नाव वॉट यू हॅव टॉक्ड अबाउट ONGC I have asked the officers to fix a inspection, go and check thoroughly खंयचे areas त्यांनी permission घेतल्या, खंयचे areas permission ना, and before I will submit the same report, joint inspection report. Even if you want to go for a joint inspection, I will organize it so you can. We will take action if they have not taken any.
So the minister admits what they are doing, they have done is illegal. Second thing, I wish to inform the House that ONGC has othermost structures, roads, etc. in the property. But they have not paid a single due to the local panchayat body. They have not paid a single rupee. And last time when Honorable Minister Rohan Babello, Subhash Allo, they had promised to take a joint inspection, Saul government. Ata ye hobrik char munjale, kainch kelna. Tenka free hand, ye company in Magdista, ite laws violate korpak, aina sarkaran denk free hand dela kitmana. Second, very important, in 2021, they had, when they granted this clearance, dated 6th 2021, the zones marked in ONGC property is natural cover, orchard and cultivable. Is there any clearance given to such projects for this company if the zones are orchard, natural cover? Or they are exempted from this zoning laws?
They are not exempted from any zoning laws. I was just trying to locate because in the morning only we had a detailed discussion on this. As far as these buildings for तुवें जे आतां कितें म्हटलां ते प्रत्येक गोश्ट तांकां वचून रिएसेस कर म्हणून सांगला आयज तुवें प्रश्न विचारल्या म्हाका आयज पर्यंत आमचो ह्या दिसांनी आमचे कोण थंय वचूंक ना ते चॅक करपाक पूण तेणी आमचे कडल्यान म्हणटा ते परमिशन म्हणटा ते घेवंक ना तुवें जे उल्लेख केला ते नॅचरल कवराचे जे सांगलेले आसा जे जेन्ना तांकां ते जमीन दिल्ली तेणी तेज्या फुड्यान काय आमचे कडेन डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन काय तेंचे आमचे कडेन वी डोंट हॅव एनी कायंड ऑफ कॉरस्पॉन्डन्स but I have asked the Deputy Town Planner KP to go and assess exactly what is the status. There I would like to assure on the floor of the House is they are not exempt from the Town and Country Planning Act at all and they have to take all the permissions from us.
Speaker sir, so this is like to get answer on Honorable Minister answer of Ramane. Last so many years ONGC has come up with a project. I don't know eja poil kon ki choitalo kito banna. They have taken people for granted. पयर आमगेल पंचायत बॉडी एंट्री दिवना तेमी सरपंचाक आनी पंच मेंबर्सां एंट्री करून दिवपाक दिवना दे आर स्टाफ स्पीकर सर ऑल द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स विथ दे हॅव बॉट आर आउटसायडर्स जमीन गोंयकारांली जमीन आमगे लोकलाली दे हॅव नॉट इवन एडवर्टायज ऑन द लोकल पेपर्स भायले मुनीस कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर अटायनींग गायले आमगे सादे लोकांक एक जॉब ना गार्डनर्स भायले बाकी सगळे भायले सो आय वॉन्ट अ स्पेसिफिक डेट वेन if you want, we also a local body can accompany. You make a thorough study. We want these things to be put in order. Zomin amgeli.
Speaker sir, जे construction has been in permit केला ते फक्त natural coverage ना only on settlement जी area आशिल्ली जे within the permissive of the ONGC पण it's not it is not been reflected in the technical clearance. आणि एक हांव सांगूंक सोदता honorable member की तुमकां जाय जाल्यार हांव पयलीं डिपार्टमेंटली हांव चॅक करता आनी तांकां वचून चॅक करून दी आनी गरज पडल्यार मागीर तुका हांव सांगता केन्ना जें इन्स्पेक्शन आहा तें मागीर म्हाका काय विशय म्हाजो कांयच ना.
सो वॉट आय एम सेइंग इज ऑल द ड्यूज लास्ट 10-15 years when they have started till date panchayatak ek single rupai melna, all those dues have to be paid to the local body. Speaker sir, but to get clearance eating thing borela reply it is natural cover mun. There is no way mentioned that is settlement.
आयन आताच सांगले की construction permitted is in the settlement zone. However, the zone is not reflected in the technical clearance order. So ही परिस्थिती हा. ही तरी भी पूर्णपणे हेजेर I've asked in the not today only when you raised the issue also, when we got this question we have asked in detail to go through each and every aspect.
Speaker sir, my second question is, since last
last question.
3 years, lot of irregularities have been happened in KPM constituency. People have developed orchard and agricultural land. Hills have been cut. Speaker sir, complaints have been filed, but no action has been taken. I have a reply which shows that the first two complainants in the list says the violator is unknown. How it is possible, sir? Speaker sir, the owner of the land is probably involved in that, or the owner will know who is involved in it. In 6 cases, which I have got the reply, the violation of Goa Land Development and Building Regulation, there are provisions under TCP Act, specifically under section 50 to 54, to take action for the violation. But the TCP department has not taken any action on those violators. Speaker sir, it is a clear case of setting. The black coat of kitta mak khabar na, black suita. Done by the TCP. I am not blaming, but it is a setting done by the TCP department official.
परत एक point of order.
Speaker sir,
black suit आता किती?
I don't know
black
whose direction.
कित्याक म्हणून ते
Speaker sir, last kitli si, Speaker sir, last kitli si ek aur 1 year. I want to.
I'll give you reply. 1 minute is remaining.
Okay, no. One sir, violation serial number 10. Sir, biotech. I am for the last 1 year. I am shouting, sir.
प्रश्न विचारणे.
Biotech, massive hill has been cut. Maka official सांगताय FIR केला, lodge केला म्हणून काय action नाही. You all have the powers. That sir, biotech दिया on grounder. किती झाला? काय झाला?
Half a second. Speaker sir, what MLA is trying to say, there are a lot of illegalities. There are a lot of
एक तरह opposition leader बसून घ्या.
There are a lot of illegalities happening. Hill cutting is happening in his constituency. I have one reply. Specifically, I will tell you 34/1 and 37/1. This particular thing has been booked under 17A. And after 17A has been booked, now hall has been built there. And Panchayat is building walls in that Paroda Panchayat. Can you look, will you give an assurance?
It is touching both of our constituencies in Paroda. Survey number 37 bar.
I will give you the list. Will you give an assurance?
प्रश्नकाल हांगा सोंपता
12:30 जाले मरे.
0
Assurance dinu speaker.
Give an assurance.
So you give me assurance on this, all this, saying
I'll
that
take action.
you are going to take action.
Yeah, I'll take action.